What if ritual was not performance, but lineage?
My name is Pai Benedito das Matas, and I am a professor at Mystical Academy.
I teach Candomblé rites and Orixá worship, a practical discipline rooted in tradition, hierarchy, and sacred continuity.
In Candomblé, nothing is improvised. Everything has a place. Everything has a time.
For centuries, ritual knowledge was preserved through oral transmission, discipline, and respect for the Orixás. In this practice, you will learn the foundations of ritual structure, energetic preparation, not as symbols, but as living forces of nature and ancestry. And the meaning behind offerings, rhythms, and sacred acts, always guided by tradition and responsibility. This is not belief without grounding. This is devotion through structure.
If you are ready to understand ritual as lineage and worship as a responsibility, join me inside Mystical Academy.